When looking at purchasing cleaning chemicals for your business, the three main methods are ready to use, bulk concentrate, and dilution control systems. Welcome everyone, I am the OG, office guy. My name is Joe Feezer, and if you have seen any of my previous videos you will know that I have been in the office products industry for over 36 years. So basically there are three methods to purchase cleaning supplies. The ready-to-use options are the cleaning supplies that you would find at convenience stores like Walmart and Target. These are the bottles that are pre-made and ready for you to buy and use right when you get home. The second method is buying bulk concentrate. This would be when you buy the chemical by itself in a gallon, 5 gallons, or more. Bulk concentrate requires the process of adding water to the chemical to achieve the desired cleaning supply, unlike how ready-to-use is made for you. The third method is dilution control systems. This method is the combination of the other two options. It has the convenience of the ready-to-use products already mixed, but the power and strength of chemicals in the bulk concentrate. It is the most advantageous option of the three to save money and get the best cleaning results. If you find the content that the OG channel produces helpful, now would be a great time to hit the subscribe button. If you would like to be notified when new videos drop, click the bell below. Dilution control systems are the best choice for all your cleaning needs. The concentrated chemical is pre-measured, ready to use in large quantities, and improves overall productivity. These systems are safer to use and the variety of products is a lot larger than what you find at the grocery store. Safety. There is always a risk factor when handling dangerous chemicals. Dilution control systems help eliminate some of that risk. Similar to ready to use, all the chemicals come enclosed in the bottle. You do not need to come into contact with chemicals at all when using the product, therefore creating a safer environment. Productivity. Having the substance already measured out eliminates the extra time spent preparing the product. This will leave you with more time to put into other tasks throughout your day. Overall productivity will increase. Variety. Dilution control systems have many different levels of variety for their products. Almost any single cleaning product that you use for your business can be found in this system. There are a large variety of application systems that can then be bought. Anything from having a spray applicator on the bottle, to having a larger system that can hold 4 different products at once. Each chemical can then be bought in several different sizes depending on the size of the company. The variety of products is endless. Each option has benefits specified for different cleaning tasks. No matter which one you pick, the job will get done efficiently and cleanly with help from Diversey. Diversey Easy Pack. This product has individual packets that dissolve once they are placed into water. They are pre-measured with the exact right amount of chemicals so no time is wasted and no one's safety is in jeopardy. These are perfect for a scrubber, mop bucket, or individual toilet bowl. Diversey Smart Dose. Instead of buying several different small spray bottles and having to mix the product up by yourself, try the Diversey Smart Dose. This system is perfect for anyone without a dedicated water line. Simply take the bottle with the exact chemical concentrate, fill the rest of the bottle up with water, and spray away. It dispenses the correct amount needed for spray bottles, mop buckets, or auto scrubbers. Diversey RTD. Similar to the Smart Dose option, the RTD incorporates a water line. This product automatically mixes the water with chemicals to create the perfect ratio. The RTD also features a spray or foam option already attached to the bottle. This is the perfect option for those not wanting to dedicate wall space to a large system. Diversey J-Fill. This product is the largest of the options. It can hold up to 4 highly concentrated chemicals at one time. Even though this is the largest system available, it creates the lowest cost per use of chemicals. Only having to purchase a chemical one time in a large amount cuts back all the added costs. This is the OG favorite and the system I would recommend. If you would like information on any of the cleaning chemicals or the dilution control system, fill out my new customer form below to discover the difference. Take a minute and hit the like button to help the OG channel grow if you found this video helpful. I can't thank you enough for watching. I am the OG office guy.